Hello students, good morning. How are you? Okay, let me learn the one more circuit experiment number 6. Today our aim is to find the resistance of galvanometer by half deflection method and to find its figure of merit. Okay, so for that the circuit is that battery E, positive terminal of the battery connect to the resistance box R. Resistance box R to connect the galvanometer and galvanometer to the key K1 and key K1 to battery negative. Now one more connect from galvanometer to the shunt to key K2 and key K2 the galvanometer. The series of shunt and K2 must be parallel to the galvanometer. Okay, now let me connect the circuit and start the experiment. Okay.
Done.
Okay, now here the circuit. First battery eliminator, resistance box R, galvanometer G, key K2. This is also resistance box, but here it is a shunt and this key K1. First connect battery positive to this resistance box to galvanometer. Same terminal of galvanometer to connect the key K2 the shunt and shunt to वापस galvanometer and galvanometer to key K1 and K1 to battery negative. First we switch on from here, then switch on from here. But before going to start the battery, you keep the K2 open condition and to make this galvanometer shape, you take the maximum resistance from here. Then switch on from the battery. What will happen? It will show some deflection. You will arrange the resistance such in a way the deflection of the galvanometer will arrange on any even number. So here it is almost 30 division. So here for 30 division the resistance in resistance box is equal to, it is 5000. So for 30 division, let me note down, it is a 5000 resistance. Now you keep the K2 closed condition. What will happen as you close the K2, the deflection of the galvanometer becomes 0. Now in K2 position, take the resistance from shunt such in a way the deflection of the galvanometer becomes half of its initial position. So let I take some resistance. I am taking, it is shows the 10 division, one more, and here it is equal to almost half. Okay, so for this resistance is 15 division. The resistance in resistance box is 50 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5. It is 105. So for 30 division to 15 division, it is 105. Now again keep K2 open condition. Insert all these keys inside the resistance box, inside the shunt box, and now arrange the deflection of the galvanometer half of the initial positions. 20 divisions. Now the deflection of the galvanometer is now 20. For the resistance is equal to 5000, 2000 and 200, that is 7200. Now insert the key K2 and make it half from its initial position. Here it is equal to 20, so we will make it 10 using the shunt. Now the deflection of the galvanometer is 10 and resistance in the shunt box is equal to 105. Again third time, now insert all these keys inside the shunt box. And now keep the K2 open condition, make it half, that is 10 divisions. Let me arrange 14 division. So for 14 divisions, the deflection is resistance in resistance box is 5000 plus 2000 plus 2000 plus 1000, that is 10,000, 10,000 and 900. Now insert the K2 and make it half by taking resistance in the shunt box. Half of the 10 is 5. Now again it is 105. Okay. So it is 7 division now. Okay. For 7 division it is 105. Let me note down this reading. Here the terminal voltage of the battery is 2 volt. Terminal voltage of the battery is 2 volt and we can calculate the figure of merit too. Now switch off the battery from here and from here. Let me note down this reading in position table. Now students, let me note down the reading from the particles. So first the theta, we have arranged the 30 divisions. At the time the resistance in resistance box was 5000 ohm. And when we make its half, that is 15 division, the shunt value was 105. Okay. On second time, that means when we arrange the 20 divisions, the resistance in resistance box was 7200. And when it's make it half, that is for the 10 divisions, the shunt value was 105. For the 14 division, the value of the resistance is 10,900. And for the half deflection, that is for the 7, the value was again, this was 105. Now let me find the resistance of the galvanometer by the formula. G is equal to R into S divided by R minus S, where R is a value of the resistance and S is a shunt value. So R, that is 5000 into 105 divided by 5000 minus 105, the value is 107 ohm resistance of the galvanometer. For the second calculation the same, that is 7200 into 105 divided by 7200 minus 100, the reading is 106.5 ohm. And similarly the calculation for the third, that is 10,900 multiplying by 105 dividing by 10,900 minus 105, the value of the resistance G is equal to 106 ohm. The average value is 106 resistance, 106.5 ohm of the galvanometer. Now let me find the figure of merit. Now let me find the figure of merit. The formula for the figure of merit is equal to K is equal to E upon R plus G into theta. So E, that is the terminal voltage of the battery, it was 2. So I will write it 2.0. Resistance in the resistance box, suppose that we calculate for the first reading, so it is 5000. And the deflection of the theta of the galvanometer is 30 division. That is substitute here. So E is equal to 2 volt dividing by R, that is 5000, plus resistance of the galvanometer is 107 into 30 division. On calculating it, we get the answer 0.00016. So let's write here. So it is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can write here 16 microampere per division is a figure of merit of the experiment. Okay, in this way we can find the figure of merit too. So here let me note down all this reading in your notebook and we will complete this experiment. Okay, students, bye. Have a nice day.